At this time, we're going back to our continuing coverage of yesterday's severe weather. A disaster declaration has now been declared for parts of Bell County, and hundreds are still without power in the Salado area. Two churches were in the path of yesterday's tornado and were heavily damaged by the storm. 6 News reporter Darren Wallace continues our team coverage. We go to him now. Hi, Darren.
Chris, I spoke with Donnie Jackson, who's been the pastor here at First Cedar Valley Baptist Church for what he says, quote, a very long time. But I'm sure he, like very many others in this area, never anticipated dealing with their church being almost completely leveled. As you can see behind me, that's just some of the disaster that happened yesterday. Jackson says it's a blessing that no one was inside the church when the storms raged through, and he even found an old Bible that amidst the damage and destruction was completely unharmed. And he says things like that show that believing in God can truly get you through the most trying times. There's a cross inside that he says is a great symbol for the church. On Friday they'll celebrate Good Friday, and then on Sunday is obviously Easter Sunday, and that cross was unharmed through the storm damage as well. So this storm comes during the week of Good Friday and Easter Sunday, which Jackson says is almost fitting based on the theme of sacrifice. So the church plan to still figure out a way to worship on Easter Sunday, but for right now their #1 priority is trying to clean up this big mess. As you can see, or actually I'm not sure if you can see behind me, some relief effort has already started, but right now in Salado, I'm Darren Wallace, 6 News. Chris.
Amazing that cross still stands inside. Seems like a message, doesn't it?